Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add voice to your Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, this is only available on the mobile version, so I'll be explaining with my own words since that is not available here on the PC version or on the web version, rather. It might be available on mobile, well, not drivers, but mobile browsers. However, I'm not 100% sure, so I wouldn't want to guarantee anything, but I'll pretty much show you how you can enable it through this. Now, what you need to do on your mobile phone to actually be able to enable voice is you need to enter driving mode. So, for example, you can select a starting position. Usually that's going to be your location that you're currently at if you have your location enabled. If you don't, I do recommend you do get it. And then you're just going to select that location, so I'll just click directions from here, and then I'm going to click another destination, for example this one, the Empire State Building, and as you can see now we have a route. Now for the mobile version, you just need to tap and hold the location where you want to go, then just click start at the bottom of your screen, and that's gonna enable your driving mode. Here you can then go to the settings to actually enable your voice. You will most likely have a sort of speaker icon which will enable you to add voice to your Google Maps. If that's not available, then you can just go into the settings for your Google Maps app, and that should enable you to enable voice for that. That's not available for all platforms nor for all operating systems or versions, so it really depends on what you're using, but that is usually the principle which you want to use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.